Hi guys, we have a espresso machine. And like I bought this one like almost 3 years ago, and now is that we have a problem giving it this voice. And this problem is made from the safety rail. It has a now it makes a little bit noise. Sorry for that. We have two rails. This one is Anti-Eddy rail, safety rail, and we have another one, safety rail. Look how it's making too much noise, because this is the broken. Look, when I press on here, it will stop. Now it stopped it, and we will change this one. I changed it already on this one. This one has a problem too. It's giving too much steam outside because of this is like you need to change it like every 2 years. That's the recommendation, and or it will make like this much noise and money will go air. It's going air. Now we will change it. Okay guys, firstly we need to make it safe when we are working on it. We need to turn it off, and some machine is different when you turn off. You need to take the whole steam out, because when I unscrew it, take it off, it will be super hot. You can burn yourself. You need to take it all the way out. Or we can turn off water too. Now we can turn water from inside. It's a little bit hard to unscrew it from the tank. What I did, I changed the Anti-Eddy safe rail. I changed the inside of it. I take it off from here, the small one, which one I show it on the video, and then I put the inside of this one. I will do the same things on this one too. It's the simple inside. I will not change it on the bottom because the brush is still is good. Only inside is getting bad on this one. I mean, all same. Just the inside is getting bad. Taking off. And I change it. And I will change it to this one from the inside. And that time we shouldn't have any problem, and we will see it. Okay guys, I take it off the whole steam from the inside, and I want to make sure, and then I came from here to fill it. You can pull with something, not to burn yourself. You see, no steam anymore. And I want to mention another things. The part of the espresso is really expensive, and this one is not the original part, but it's same. The original part was saying $157. It's a lot for the small piece of the metal. And what I realized when I am searching about it, and it was a little bit hard to find it because I think the company is not making anymore this kind of espresso machine. And usually it's writing the number here, and it will be hard to find it. but if you know the size of this part from the original part, and you can find different brands and it will fit it. I tried it on the Anti-Eddy valve, the small one. It worked because it was coming water from there and it was making the same problem. I bought this one. It's only $37 and I saved almost like $120 from this one. And I bought this one. It was webrestaurant.com. I bought it there, and now we will change it and see whether it works or no. Why I got it's a little bit hot still because it was working. Now I take it off and I want to compare. I want to make sure. See guys, same. And if you see the bottom, plastic is almost melted. That's why it was losing air on the edge of the here, and it was making the noise. And we will put it this one and to see. Now I want to make sure this is coming off from here, and you can adjust it size of with this one when you put it like this. Make sure it is same height. This is adjustable. When you bring it this one down, this ring a little bit up, and I can do this one down. Just I will hold it, squeeze it from here, like hide it on top only. Now you see it's same. Now I will install this one. It's becoming like it. Show it the inside. It's nothing. It's same exactly. This I don't know how to call it. It's like a washer maybe. That one is that, and I will put it. And we will see the result. Perfect. And hide it. You don't need to tie it like really hard. When you just tie it like a little bit, couple finger. That's it. And I want to make sure pulling. Okay, that works. Let's turn it on our machine, and we need to wait like maybe 10 minutes. And now it will start to cool water inside. When it make it hot, and we will see is it coming steam outside or no. Let's see some. Okay, when I put it the valve, I give some time for machine to heat it up, and now we will try to how it will make it. When it was making the noise, it was making, but it wasn't perfect. Simply like old espresso machine is almost like the same way they are making. I'm sure which brand is, doesn't matter how much they are expensive or how much they are cheap. It will make that problem, the valve problem, because it has a small like a washer inside plastic, and that's in the time is on the heat is melting, and that's why we need to change it.
When you see the color, it's perfect.
Good luck, guys.